Good morning students, I am Sanya Sethi, your science teacher. This week we had started with chapter number 5, Safety and First Aid. So what is safety? Safety means to protect ourselves from harm. First we will discuss about safety at home. We must learn to keep ourselves safe by following safety rules. To be safe, we should follow some simple rules. Safety rules should be followed everywhere. There are many things that can harm us at home. We must learn to keep ourselves safe at home. Always stay away from the stove when the food is being cooked. So when your mother is cooking food, you should not touch the pan or you should not go near the cooking stove. It is dangerous to play with matches. You should always stay away from fire and you should not use such things in the absence of your elders. You should never put anything into an empty plug socket as it can cause you an electric shock. Do not touch electrical machines when the power is on. You should never touch a hot iron or a toaster or any electrical appliance because it can hurt you and cause you electric shocks. Do not climb or jump on the furniture. You may fall and hurt yourself. Okay, so how many of you leave the toys on the floor after playing? Okay, so you should never leave your belongings or toys on the floor after playing with them. You should always keep your things at a proper place because someone may step on it and fall down. Even you can trip on them and fall. So it is very dangerous and you should always keep your belongings at a proper place. You should always be careful when you are shutting doors and windows as somebody else's finger may get hurt. You should be careful while using knives, blades or scissors as they are sharp and unsafe to use. You should always use them with the help of your elders. Roads can be very dangerous as many fast vehicles move on them. We must be very careful when we cross the road or walk on the roadside. Following safety rules when traveling in vehicles is also important. Always cross at the zebra crossing or use a subway. Always cross the road with a grown-up. Always use a footpath to walk along. You should not play or run on the road. Do not get in or get off of a moving vehicle. And never put your hand or head out of a moving vehicle. While traveling on a scooter or a motorcycle, you should always wear a helmet. And while riding a car, you should always wear a seat belt. You should always follow the traffic signals. That is, when the traffic signal is red, the traffic stops. And when it turns yellow, the traffic waits. And when it turns green, you are safe to move. So students, I hope you must have understood the topics well. Kindly read the chapter again and we will continue with the topic in the coming week. That's all for now. Take care.